In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Wix. This handy connection can help streamline your workflows and automate some of those repetitive tasks that we all want to avoid. So, let's dive into the process, step by step, and I'll guide you through everything you need to know. Firstly, we need to enable developer mode in Wix, which is also known as Velo. This mode opens up a range of advanced features for your site, including the all-important Zapier integration. To get started, log into your Wix account and open the site you'd like to connect to Zapier. Once you're in the Wix editor, look for the Dev Mode option on the top menu. You'll want to go ahead and toggle on the Enable Developer Mode option. By doing so, you're setting your Wix site up to interact with external apps seamlessly, creating a more flexible and dynamic website experience. Now, let's move on to the next part of the process, creating a Wix automation. Automations in Wix can trigger certain actions based on specific events, such as form submissions or new bookings. This can be incredibly useful for managing responses and keeping track of various interactions on your site. Head over to your site's dashboard and find the Automation section in the left-hand menu. Once you're there, you'll want to click on Create New Automation. This is where you can customize your triggers and actions. You'll start by choosing a trigger that fits your needs. For instance, a form submission might be a perfect choice if you're looking to streamline responses from customer inquiries. After selecting your trigger, it's time to add an action. This is where the magic of integration happens, as you'll be connecting directly to Zapier. In the Action section, choose Connect to Zapier from the options available. This connection is what allows your Wix site to communicate with over 1,000 apps and services through Zapier, automating tasks efficiently that would otherwise require manual effort. The last thing you'll need to do here is to save your automation. This simple click ensures that your settings are all locked in and ready to go. It's a crucial step that stores your configurations so everything works seamlessly moving forward. With those steps completed, you have now successfully set your Wix site up to integrate with Zapier. This setup will empower you to automate tasks in ways that can save you a lot of time and effort, letting you focus on more important aspects of your business. Remember, automations are all about making your digital operations as smooth and efficient as possible, so feel free to explore further as your needs evolve. Thanks for watching and happy automating.